Hello students, today we will be solving a question from the Wbcs 2019 question paper. So in this question, which is 79, question number 79, it has been asked that who wrote Mrichakatikam. So Mrichakatikam is basically a Sanskrit play. The options given are Visha, Kadata, Sudrak, Bannabhata and Bhas. So these are options. The correct option from among these four options is Sudrak. So Sudrak wrote the Sanskrit play Mrichakatikam. So talking about Sudrak, so Sudrak was basically Indian king, an Indian king and a playwright. So he was a king who was fond of playwriting. So basically, apart from Mrichakatikam, he also wrote two Sanskrit plays. So those Sanskrit plays, so he wrote three Sanskrit plays. Three Sanskrit plays are attributed to him, of which one of them is Mrichakatikam, and the other two are known as, one was Vinavasarara and other was Padma Pratika. So three Sanskrit plays are attributed to him. And if you talk about if you want to know about the more about Sudrak, was known from the prologue of the books of this plays that he wrote. So in the prologue, it was mentioned that he basically was a Kshatriya king. He was a Kshatriya king, and he was also said to be a devotee of Shiva, and he lived for around 500 years. He lived for around 100 years. So, and the time of his living can be attributed to from the prologue that was found out. So he lived for about 100 years, and somewhere in between 300 BC and 500 AD. So he lived somewhere among that. So this was the time about which he lived. So Sudrak, as you can know, and this is the various background information that you need to keep in mind while getting to know about when solving this question or answering this question. So thank you very much.